Greenzie-equipped mowers running autonomous mowing software are safe, smart, capable, productive, and can make your crews more efficient while reducing labor costs. But they aren't perfect. Here are some of the current limitations and gotchas as of April 2023. The mower in manual mode is fully capable of slopes and slope terrain, but in autonomous mode, if you put your boundary perimeter on slopes, the mower may struggle and turn down the hill as opposed to turning up it. Future software updates will make the mower more slope aware to turn up the hill. But for now, leave the hills in the middle of the perimeter and go up and down. Slight slopes are fine. Or just mow the flat areas around the hills in sections and then jump on another mower to tag team the job and get it done 100% faster. Now the cameras are fully capable, 360 degrees, and see better than us, even in the dark. However, small obstacles hiding in the grass can trick the mower, just like you and me. If something doesn't come up out of the grass, the mower will run over it. It's best to keep the area for mowing clean and not put obstacles in the path. Small, thin obstacles such as guide wires or a no-no, simply use a cone to distinguish these obstacles and toss it out while driving the perimeter, mark them manually, or carve these out during your perimeter mow. Sometimes going in and out of shady areas in full sun back and forth can trigger false obstacles. The reason is auto exposure and timing. Now these generally clear quickly, and if you slow the mower down, the auto exposure can work quickly to change to see the detail of the area, but if you're going at full speed, it can sometimes cause the mower to pause while the exposure auto adjusts. Here's a video of it in real life. Now this was on a boundary, so not a big deal, but just like when you're driving and the sun glare blinds you and you have to adjust your eyes or the visor, we're working on a setting to fix the auto exposure to limit the wild swings in the software, and then we'll likely fix this in a future update. For now, consider changing the angle of the mow, the time of mow, or using relaxed obstacle detection. There are many workarounds for this while we improve our software. Some tight angled turns may create missed slivers, or pizza stripes we call them, in wet grass in certain conditions. This can leave duff and mulch clumps, but the good news is our software can do an extra perimeter pass to clean this up. We're always improving our turn algorithm and overlap, so future updates might even make this final perimeter lap completely unnecessary. Mowing around obstacles still leaves a 3-foot gap from the obstacle. While we anticipate in future updates being able to go closer and closer to those obstacles, this is an area we take seriously with safety and will likely take time to decrease. It's best to leave obstacles out of the way and let the mower mow the big areas, as us humans are better at mowing the detailed areas. You can mow autonomously in the rain. The mower works great. It doesn't care. Just put some water repellent wipes on the lenses and you're good to go. You can mow in the rain, wash the mower. It's water resistant, built to last, but it is not fully waterproof. You don't put it into the river or the pond, as the engine isn't waterproof either. Now, we've tested in the field and we've used it all season during rain. If the rain is very, very heavy, it might see false positives, but at that point, your field might be too muddy and might rut the lawn. So finishing a job in light rain is no problem. As always, your sites and conditions may vary, but after 5 years, we've seen a lot. And the Greenzie software with rugged, reliable industry standard sensors taken from the self-driving car technology that's available now, it's all very capable. The only other gotcha is once you've had a Greenzie-equipped mower on your crew, it's tough to go back to just using a normal manual only mower.